Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to turn off sensitive content warnings on your tweets. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Privacy and Safety. Under Your Twitter Activity section, click on Your Tweets. Uncheck the box next to the text that says Mark media you tweet as having material that may be sensitive. That's it. From now on, sensitive content warning will not be shown on your tweets. This is how you can turn off sensitive content warnings on your tweets. Thank you for watching.